What's up guys, welcome back to One Life. You join me tonight at a petrol station for a very quick video for just a general bit of car knowledge. Every single engine has oil in it and that oil needs to be changed regularly, preferably. So today I'm going to show you how to check the oil to see if you need it changing or maybe just need a top up. I think today we're going to be topping it up. It's a friend's car, it burns a bit of oil, so I thought this was a good time to just show you a quick tutorial on how to check your oil and top it up if needed. This sort of applies to any car, they're all a very similar layout. The one I'm on today is a Mark V Vauxhall Astra. So guys, let's have a look. Every engine has what's called a dipstick. And this dipstick is used to check the oil level. So here, and like in most cars, it's a bright yellow colour at the top of it, and it'll normally come off some sort of tube and be a plastic ring, something you can get your finger in to pull it out. Normally the bright yellow, bright orange, some sort of colour that you can find easily. The oil cap will also normally correspond to the colour of the dipstick, and this is the cap that you undo to fill the car with a bit more fresh oil. So guys, the first thing I want you to do is make sure that the car's not too hot but not cold. You know, you want it warmed up a bit so the oil all flows to the bottom. And you're going to take the dipstick out once, have a quick look at it. As you can see, it looks already like there's plenty in this, but that could just be oil that's splashed up while the engine's running. So the next thing you need to do is clean the dipstick and test it again. So I'm just going to send that to my assistant for cleaning. Regular oil changes are important because they keep your engine running that bit more efficient, they keep it that bit cleaner inside, and you will prolong the life of the engine if you change the oil regularly from new. So anyway, I've cleaned the dipstick, got the worst of the oil off. There's still a bit of oil on it, but we'll be able to tell with a new reading. I'm going to stick it back in all the way, make sure it clips back in all the way, leave it a few seconds and pull it out. Now we can see today that it's actually not burnt any oil recently, it's still full, very full actually. You can see the oil there glistening on all the little lines all the way to the top. So those lines symbolise, like, you know, a quarter, halfway, 3/4 and then full and empty at each end. The bottom of the dipstick obviously being the empty mark going up. So for today we can stick this back in and that's it. It doesn't need a top up, but let's say it did. What we do is quite simple: take this cap off, pull that off, fill it up with a bit of oil, check the dipstick level again, wipe it again, check it again until your level's about right, and put the cap back on. And that's about it for a quick oil top up and check. Now if your oil's looking really dirty and black on the dipstick after a few checks, then it's probably time for an oil change and a filter change, but that's for another day. This is just a basic top up. You can do this on the side of the road anywhere really. We're currently at a petrol station and it's late at night. So guys, that's it from me for this quick One Life tutorial on how to check and top up your oil. Until next time, peace.